Welcome back. First, I'm going to be working with the padded area, and each of it has its own interface. Here I'm using a soft wording as my interface, excuse me, and I also have lining for each of it. So what I'm going to be doing is joining the fabric, and I'll be joining the lining as well. Next, I'm going to be adding the front yoke. This is what the front yoke looks like. So I'm going to be starting from the middle. That means I have to turn, and I'll be placing the lining on it as well to join. To the back, I'm going to be joining the yoke to the main piece. Then I also have the lining, which I'm going to use to turn. So this will be coming like this, and I'll be placing the lining on it to turn. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Now, after joining this part, we're still going to join the sides, both this side and the zipper side. Now to the base of the front, I'm going to be inserting the triangle. After that, I'm going to join the half lengths together with the base for the front. Now coming to the back, the first thing I'm going to hold my dart. After that, I'll join the half length to the base of the dress. So my dart measurement now with my zipper allowance of 1 inch is 4.5 inches. That's what I'll be holding with the length of 4 inches. Next, I'm going to measure the length, my zip length, and I'm going to be leaving that measurement. The zipper is going to start from the main fabric, not from this net. You can decide to start your zipper, start fixing it from the net, from the edge here. But mine is going to start from where the fabric the main fabric starts from. So I'll be leaving the length of 18 inches for my zipper. The 18 inches stops here. Now what I'm going to be doing is attaching the main the patterned material in between, and to do that I'm going to start by joining one side first, then I'll join the other side. Here is my patterned material, so I'm going to be joining one side first.
Classic on deck.
After joining, this is what it looks like, and this is where my zipper is going to stop, starting from the back here, and it's going to stop at this point. So this is the base with the tail or the paddle at the back. Here it is. The next thing I'm going to do is to join. I'm going to be bringing out the shape. I'll fix the zipper, then I'll also bring out the shape of my dress. After that, we join the shoulder, and you can go ahead to fix the sleeve of your choice. Now on this part of the neck, I am going to be folding it. I'll fold it in this way and the other side as well, so that I'm just going to attach my hook and eye. You can use hook and eye, you can use buttonholes and button on this part of the neck. That is after joining the shoulder. After joining the shoulder and tipping with either bias or even the fabric, you can just cut a strip of fabric to turn the neck. Then you can attach either hook and eyes or anything of your choice at the back here. And if your zipper is going to start from this very edge, that means it will just go straight down. So I am going to bring out the shape. After that, I'm going to join the shoulder. Note that it is important that you weave all the necessary parts in your dress so that you can have a neat finish. This is a tutorial and I need to be fast with this, so you need to iron as well as you sew, so that at the end of your sewing it's going to come out really nice. Now I'm going to be bringing out my measurements to bring out the shape, which is going to be the last thing in this tutorial. And you can fix the sleeve you've cut, the one you've cut out. Any sleeve of your choice you can fix to the dress. It's going to be my measurements divided by 2, and I'm going to share the measurements into 2. So the bust divided by 2 now. Bust 34 divided by 2 is 17. I have 18 inches here, so it's going to be 0.5 and 0.5 on the other side, and the under bust circumference measurement of 28, 28, and that is 28 divided by 2 is 14. I have 16 inches. That means I'm going to take 1 inch here and 1 inch on the other side, so it continues like that to the waist and to the hip.
Classic on deck.